Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into one of these cloud host platform, which is OVHcloud. So let's really dive into it in order to check if this cloud is one of the cheapest cloud ever in 2025. So talking about the OVHcloud is popular for one big reason, which is the price. Its VPN and the cloud plans are some of the cheapest you will find out there, while it still offers the solid performance, strong European infrastructure, high bandwidth, and it suits in the DDoS protection. All pros that makes it great for developers and budget-focused users. You also get a lot of configuration freedom, which is a win if you like turning your own environment. But the low cost does some with its trade-off. The OVHcloud isn't very beginner friendly. The dashboard can feel technical, the support can be slow on cheaper plan, and the performance may vary during the heavy workload. All the cons that matters if you actually want something simple and the stability isn't there. So in my opinion, I think the OVHcloud is incredibly cheap and powerful, but the best suited for users who don't need hand holding. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, please subscribe.